Hi guys, welcome to my channel AlgoCap. In my previous video, I have covered this problem fast non-repeating character, and today I will be solving one more problem, that is longest palindromic substring. Now let's see the question. So, so basically problem state that you will be given a string S and you need to return the longest palindromic substring in that string. So in this example, BB is the substring which is palindrome as well, and this is the only palindromic substring in this string, and so you need to return this substring. Okay, let's say with another example, let's say if I given like a b b a d, and here you can see the longest palindromic substring is bab, because this is one palindrome we can get, right? So here you need to return the bab. Let's say with another example like A, B, B, A, D, F. Okay. So in the string, the longest palindromic substring is A, B, B, A, right? So you need to return this. Let's say check with another example. Let's say like A, B, B, C, B, A. So in that substring, the whole substring is a palindrome. So you need to return the whole substring, whole string basically. And such that like if there is example like such something like that, you can see that you can see that a is also a palindrome, b is also can be a palindrome, and c is also can be one palindrome, right? So you need to return the any of this. Okay, maybe you can just simply return the a, because a single character is also a palindrome, right? So you need to return any of this. Okay, like if there could be like possible like two substring which is also a palindrome, and which is also basically palindrome, uh, and both they have the same length. So for that such case you just simply return any of the substring. Okay, now how can you solve this problem? So there may be like a different kind of solution provided in the like YouTube and any other like platform. So those are the basically maybe DP or a recursion, but I will provide a unique solution here. So please see the whole video. So let's say I have example like A B A. Okay, and here you can see that if b is the our middle point of this palindrome, so that's mean like in both side we have a like the character which is equal, right? So so if we consider b is a middle point of that palindrome, so how far we go in the right hand side and the left hand side, right? So we can see that we can go like if there is a another character, let's say d, here is it's maybe c. So in that case we can simply move one side, like one point to the left, and move one side to the right. So this is we can extend, like maximum we can extend, considering that b is our middle point. Okay, let's say with another example like a b b a, here it is d, here it is f maybe. Okay, so let's say this is the middle point. Okay, so then for that case what we can go from that case, how far we can go left side and how far we can go right side, like if this is the middle point of the palindrome. In that case that this b is and this be equal, so we can move to the right, like we can move both pointer to the right side. This pointer I will move to the left side and this pointer will to the right side. Then I will check the both character equal, it is equal. So as of now our like we are this point and at this point. Okay, now can I move to his right side and his left side? We cannot, because that this D and F are not equal, right? So maximum we can go like from this point to this point we can go, right? Basically if I consider this middle point, we can go 2 point to the like to the left side and 2 point to the right side. So what is then this is our like beginning string, and this is our ending index, basically ending in of the string. So such case like a b b a could be our one substring. Okay, so let's say like if there is something like a b a only, okay, d a, so then such case what can we can do, we can consider like b could be our middle point as well. Okay, and like basically what we can do, we can from that point we need to provide like two index. Okay, I j, this is I basically move to the left hand side and j basically move to the right hand side. Okay, so like, so if b, considering that b could be our middle point, so from that case like how far we can go to the left side and how far go to the right side. But for this example our I will point to the this and j will point to the this. So now how can I move I to the right hand side, and how can I move j to the right hand side? Like how can I move I to the like how much I can move I to the left side and how much I can move j to the right side. Okay, and those like maximum how can I move both this pointer? Those could be our start index. I could be a start index, j could be our end index, and those could be a valid palindrome. Okay, and for like if it is considered b is a like, for that case both I, like I and j both basically same, like this is also I and this is also I, right? Okay, so this is the like intuition. So what we can do, let's say we have a example like say like a b a, like b b a c d and f. Okay, so what I can do, like from like let's say I'll start with index I. From this is our current, like we iterate this one. Okay, for if this is our middle point of the palindrome, so how can we, like how much we can go to the right hand side and how much we can go to the left right side, how much we can go to right side. So for if is a middle point, we can get only one string, right? Because we cannot move to the right hand side and left hand side is null, so that's mean we only one, like if could be on one string with length. Okay, now if a is our middle point, so in such case we move to the right side, left side and right side? We cannot, because b and f are not equal, right? So now moving to b, this b. Okay, now, can we consider B as a middle point? If we consider B as a middle point, okay, so we cannot, in that case also we cannot move because this A and this B are not equal, right? So now what will be happen, like if in such case, like if B can we take as a middle point, right? But we need to like pass the second J as well, right? So this could be our I and this could be a J. So basically for every index, basically our the left side, basically I is basically the left point, basically I, and right point also I. This is one possible, and for I is 1 point, I plus 1, basically this could be our j. Okay, and here I j, so ij for every point both could be I or I plus 1, right? So in such case, like if it is a b b a, okay, so that case this is our I and this is our j. So then how much we can move to I to the left side and how much we can move j to the right side. Okay, so here you can see that this is equal, so I can move the here and j is here. Now can I move I to the right side? We cannot, because this f and this is not equal. So in such case we can simply get the string, basically substring I to j. So this could be our one answer, and we need to, like for every possible string we can calculate that what is the maximum, like what is the maximum length of the substring, and those string are palindrome because we are already checking that. Okay, now I will writing the like, hope you are able to understand the intuition here. I will write down the pseudocode. Okay, so what basically we do, so I will take our one answer variable. Okay, in that case storing the answer. As of now initially it will be empty, then I will check iterate from I0 to I length, if n is the length of the string, I to n, then plus plus. Okay, now so now I will create a helper function. Okay, that is basically extend. Okay, so what will take, it will take I and j. Okay, and the string. Okay, and from there it will return me a substring. Okay, return me a string. So basically what I'll do here, so here I take the s1 equal to, so if I is the middle point, then how much we can extend is both side. Okay, so in such case, so we'll just simply call the extend function with both pointer like I and j equal to I. Okay, then I will check another s2, another string. In that case our I is I and j will be our I plus 1, like as we discussed, like if in that case, like for such case this I could be our middle point, right? So in that case, like when there is odd length of palindrome, then that in that case the I and j will be same, but for even length of palindrome, in such case the I will be this and j will be this. Okay, so that's why I j will be our next character. Okay, so I am doing this. And for extend function what will do, it will check that while is dot char at I equal to is dot char at j. If both is equal, then it will just simply move I to the left side and j to the right side, right? And once it has been, while breaking, while like if there is a c and d, so in this point the while loop break, and in that time I just need to return the s dot substring I plus 1 to j, because for while loop is, when the while loop is break, I will at that time I will point to this character, so I need to return the from I plus 1 to still j. Okay, I will point to the here. Okay, so for every substring, like it will return the substring which is palindrome, and here I can just simply check if our s dot length is greater than our answer dot length or not. If it is greater than, then we just simply update our answer to s1. Okay, and same for s2 as well. So if s2 dot length equal to answer dot length, in such case we just need to update our answer. Okay, and after that while when the for loop is break, we just simply return the answer. Okay. So this is the pseudocode. I hope you are able to understand the solution. So I will provide the question link and the solution in the description section. So please check it out. Thank you.